Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by reading the exact error message and note the account name shown. Next, open account settings in the app and view linked accounts and active sessions. Check whether you have two-factor authentication enabled on the connected account or a security prompt awaiting approval. Also confirm whether the same email or social login appears in multiple profiles. If you see multiple active sessions within 30 minutes, that often causes the conflict and explains the error message. First, sign out of the other device or remove the linked account from settings. Use the app disconnect option and wait a few seconds before reauthorizing the same account. Close the app, clear cache, and restart your device to remove stale sessions and token conflicts. Then sign in again and approve any two-factor authentication prompts immediately. If reauthorization fails, revoke app access from the account provider and regrant permissions on the next login attempt. To prevent repeats, keep only one active session per account and log out from spare devices. Periodically revoke unused app permissions from your account provider to avoid token collisions and hidden links. Enable a recovery email and update passwords every 6 months to maintain secure access and reduce unexpected disconnects. Document which social logins and email aliases map to each profile to avoid confusion. Finally, allow a short 30 to 60-second pause.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.